So Toyota is finally adding all-wheel drive to the Camry and Avalon, but of course, there's a catch.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
So the biggest thing that's been missing from the Camry and Avalon in the past few decades is all-wheel drive. I mean, at least to me, especially these new direct injected, you know, really high horsepower V6, well, not high horsepower, but you know what I mean. They just spin all the time. You would expect Toyota to add all-wheel drive to those two V6 models because those two both have traction issues. But if you're trying to remember an all-wheel drive Avalon, there actually has never been an all-wheel drive Avalon. It's always been front-wheel drive. And the Camry from the second gen in 1988 to 1991, the Camry All-Track.
You're driving the Toyota Camry All-Track. It's got all-wheel drive to pull you through.
So Toyota is going to be adding their dynamic torque control all-wheel drive system from the RAV4 and the new Highlander into the Camry and Avalon, but it is a different system. It's going to be an option on the 2021 Avalon XLE and Limited, and it's going to be available on every single Camry model from the LE to XSE, but only the 4-cylinder. So Toyota also says that the all-wheel drive system in the Camry and Avalon doesn't steal space from the trunk or the interior, so there's no bigger transmission tunnel or whatever. And the way how this all-wheel drive system works is technically a slip and go system. So if the front wheels are slipping, then the rear wheels will get up to 50% of power, but I don't think there's any torque vectoring involved, so no side-to-side movement. And then, like I said, you're only going to be able to get all-wheel drive on the 2.5 liter. That might be because the differentials or whatever don't have enough strength to hold up to that 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. So they might, you know, just grind gears or whatever. But at least right now, hopefully they will add it to the V6 models in the future, just like the ES350. That's another one of those cars that just keeps spinning. And it was really frustrating. Well, just too much. You're still gonna get an 8-speed automatic paired to that all-wheel drive system, but no V6. You can also option a cold weather package. So on the LE, that includes heated seats and heated mirrors. On the SE, XLE, and XSE, that includes heated mirrors, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. So you should be expecting to see an all-wheel drive Camry rolling into dealership lots by spring of next year. Well, yeah, 2020. And then for the Avalon, that's going to be a 2021 model, and that's going to pop up at the end of next year, so in fall. And we have no idea about pricing and no idea about fuel economy numbers, but you know, those should be rolling in the next few months. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So let me know what you think about an all-wheel drive Camry and Avalon, but you know, this whole engine fiasco like Nissan. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, peeps.